Tensions between the Bitcoin and Ethereum tribes have been stirred by a trend that outsiders might see as a sign of harmony. Throughout June, the amount of tokenized Bitcoin on Ethereum, the bulk of it WTC, a special ERC2 token known as Wrapped Bitcoin, soared from 5,200 BTC to 11,682 BTC, now worth around $108 million, according to BitcoinEthereum.com. As in their own, each faction described the growth of WBTC tokens whose value is pegged 1-to-1 against a locked-up reserve of actual Bitcoin as proof of their coin superiority over the others. The Ethereum's crowd said that it shows that even BTC holders believe that Ethereum-based applications provide a better off-chain transaction experience than platforms built on Bitcoin, such as Lightning or Blockstream's Liquid. Bitcoiners, by contrast, took it as a confirmation that people place greater value in the oldest, most valuable crypto asset than in Ethereum's Ether token. The blockchain ecosystem has seen a rapid transformation over the last few years with or without cryptocurrencies. The blockchain has already demonstrated its potential. Transparency, governance, and accountabilities are most sought after features that blockchain provide by design, not too distant future. Ramlal, a farmer who wants to buy agricultural land in the remote town of Maharashtra, uses a mobile application to search for the land. This application is linked to the land registry as maintained by the government and by using zero-knowledge proof. A zero-knowledge proof is a method of proving the ownership title of a land without revealing any other information. It verifies the ownership and clear title of the land, saving them time and hassle for Ramlal to perform legal due diligence for last 12 to 30 years. Ramlal can use the multi-sign account similar to the escrow account to deposit the money and execute a smart contract to initiate the transaction for the transfer of land. All the parties to the deal, buyer, seller, their lawyers, platform and banks are on a secure channel and only they can access the documents and any data exchanged during the deal. Once the deal is complete, the deal is signed, the smart contract distributed the fee to settle the amount between the parties involved. It also transferred the land title to Ramlal's name by updating all the necessary government records. Recently, one of the leading cryptocurrency and digital assets companies by market capitalization, Galaxy Digital Holdings Limited, has announced that it will start trading on Toronto Stock Exchange in July 6, 2020. As per press release, to start trading from July 6, 2020, the company has completed all the requirements set out of the TSX Sandbox program. A few days back, Galaxy Digital has announced its partnership with the prominent alternative investment platform CAIS. Tesla's CEO and co-founder Elon Musk stated directly about Ethereum and that he wasn't for or against Ethereum. Elon Musk tweeted that he isn't building anything on Ethereum. William Shatner is a promoter of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. He started the discussion over Vitalik and Elon's secret Ethereum-based project. Elon Musk, denying the rumor, mentioned that he is neutral in his perspective about Ethereum. He had nothing for or against it. The owner and CEO of Tesla, electric car manufacturers, and SpaceX, Elon Musk has denied the rumor of him collaborating with Ethereum blockchain. Crypto fanatics known him as Dogecoin advocate, as his favorite coin was Dogecoin. However, now he seems talking about Ethereum and Bitcoin as well. The Central Bank of Japan is initiating a controlled experiment with CBDC. to check the technical feasibility. However, with the introduction of CBDC, Bank of Japan has to face two chief hurdles, that are universal access and resilience. Bank of Japan also stated that it will start a proof of concept. With the central bank digital currency, Bank of Japan getting popular in the Asian countries, the Central Bank of Japan is initiating a controlled experiment with CBDC to check the technical feasibility.